Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a high protein breakfast pizza. This one pan breakfast pizza is really quick to make, and it's a fun way to have all of your protein and breakfast on a pizza form. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep our vegetables. I'm gonna be using an onion, a tomato, and a bell pepper. Really, you could do whatever kind of vegetables you like. You could add mushrooms to it or spinach, whatever. This is what I have available, so this is what I'm gonna use. So for my onion, I'm just going to dice it. I'm not gonna use the whole onion. So I'm only gonna slice down about as much as I need. And that's all I'm really gonna use for a single pizza. So that's good to go. We're gonna do the same thing with our bell pepper. So I'm gonna take my bell pepper, slice off as much as I want, and do a couple long slices like this, and then we're going to dice it as well. I love these really quick breakfasts that take like 10 minutes to make in total, because sometimes you don't have a lot of time in the morning, or you're just looking for a fun way to enjoy something, or maybe your kids don't like to eat eggs and vegetables, and this is a great way to get them to eat them. I'm also gonna add my tomato. So I have my tomato, which I'm gonna dice as well. I'm just gonna do some rough chop, just like that. And that is it for our prep for our vegetables. For the egg part, I have 2 large eggs, so I'm gonna put them in a measuring cup. It just makes it easier to pour and to mix. So I'm gonna add my 2 large eggs. And I'm also going to add some cottage cheese. This is whole milk cottage cheese. I love the one by Good Culture, not sponsored by this brand, but really great quality. And now we're just gonna mix that together and beat that until it's combined. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. I'm also gonna add my seasonings to the egg. So I'm gonna add some fresh oregano. If you don't have that available, you can use dried oregano. I'm gonna do some spicy Italian seasoning. A little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, salt, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Now let's go ahead and mix this together. For this one pan pizza, I'm using a small pan. And the reason I'm doing so, well, one, it depends on the size of the tortilla that you're using. So I'm gonna be using these home style small tortillas, and it fits directly into my pan, so that's the one I'm gonna use. I also like the serving size when it's like this. And another reason is because I actually like when the egg kind of comes up, so it has kind of like a thicker layer than if you did it and it would like be on a larger pan and everything would kind of spread out. This way I sort of get a little bit of a thickness to the pizza. So we're just gonna let this heat up for a moment, and we're gonna add some avocado oil. The pan is nice and hot, and it is on a medium-low heat. I'm gonna spray in some avocado oil. Now let's go ahead and add in our pepper, the onion, and our tomato. We're just gonna saute this a little bit, kind of spread everything out evenly in the pan. I'm gonna give it a little bit of salt. And we're just gonna let this cook for a couple of minutes to let everything heat up and start softening. After about 3-4 minutes, you're gonna start to see that all of the vegetables are heated. They're starting to soften up. And at this point, you're going to add in your egg. So I have my egg and cottage cheese mixture here, and I'm going to pour it over the vegetables. We're going to pour it over in a nice even layer. I'm also going to get a good melting cheese. I'm using just a quesadilla cheese. You can use some Colby Jack, you could use Monterrey Jack, you could use mozzarella, whatever you have available to you that melts well. And I would recommend getting one that is that you can grate yourself, so get like a full block, because if you have the one that's with the caking agents on it, it doesn't melt as well, and also you don't want all those extra carbs. So I'm just putting my cheese all the way around, and I'm gonna get a lid. We're just gonna cover and let the cheese start to melt, and we're gonna let the eggs cook from the top as well. So this lid is going to insulate the heat, and it's gonna bring the heat to the top so it can actually cook the top evenly. And we're gonna keep it on that medium-low heat as well. Let's take the lid off for a second. We're just gonna lift from the sides to make sure that it doesn't get stuck. And it shouldn't because we're using a non-stick pan, but I just kind of like to lift. And you can also start to get some of that egg that's on the top kind of coming into the bottom so it starts to cook. That is looking really good. And now that our cheese is nice and melty and the outside is cooked, go ahead, take your tortilla and put it on top, just like this. I kind of like to press down. And we're gonna cover it again and let it cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. Once you can see that the outside is basically fully cooked, go ahead and turn the heat off because we need to flip this over. So you wanna take a cutting board or a plate, anything you have that's about the same size as the pan that you're using, and we're going to flip this. So go ahead, take your cutting board, put it on top, or your plate, whatever you have, and we're gonna take it and flip it over quickly. It's okay if you have these extra bits here, you can just scrape them off, we'll always eat them. I'm gonna do another little spray of avocado oil just to coat the bottom. Turn our heat back on. We're just gonna take our pizza and slide it back into the pan. I'm just kind of fixing it here. It doesn't have to be perfect, but basically what we're doing is we're now cooking it from the other side and we're letting that tortilla crisp up on the bottom. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra cheese on top. And I'm just gonna cover it with my lid here to let it melt. And you're gonna let this cook for now an additional 1 to 2 minutes. And there you have it, a high protein breakfast pizza in 10 minutes. You have a delicious breakfast and it's just a fun way to enjoy breakfast, to enjoy your eggs just a little bit of a different way. I already cut it up, I sliced into it. Let's get a piece right here. Take a look at that cheese pull. You get a nice crispy tortilla bottom that holds it's basically like an omelet type of pizza. It holds that egg super well, and it's just a really fun way that you can eat this. I absolutely love making this, and I know you will too. Cheers, guys. What else can I say other than it being super, super delicious? I know you guys are gonna love this. This is a great way to get your macros in, to get a lot of protein in first thing in the morning, or just a fun little snack that you can have. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.